In the latest version of CADReader for Android, we have added some advanced features. Firstly, we have added a virtual mouse, which makes each selection more accurate. And now CADReader can help you to draw a straight line. Use the line function, choose the start point, and then you can draw a straight line. Also, you can input the length of this line. Open the orthogonal mode so it will follow a horizontal or vertical direction. What's more, there are new measuring tools. For example, now you can measure the area and the perimeter of a polygon. And measure the length of an arc. Lastly, you can use the export function to share and exchange your drawing and all the annotations with others. It can be sent by email, chatting tools, cloud drives, and so forth. Upgrade your CADReader to the latest version and become our VIP user to enjoy the premium functions.